Good morning, children. In today's session, I'm going to give you the book back answers in English for 6th standard. It is Unit 2, Unit 1. Poem, children, that is teamwork, okay? Already I've explained to you this poem. And those who have the book can take page number 100, okay? And you have to take down in your notebook also, children. Whatever I'm giving, take down in your notebook, okay? Now see page number 100. Page number 100. C. Answer the following. Okay, whatever I am giving, take down in your English classwork clearly. Answer the following. First one. What qualities are needed to play a game? Are needed to play a game. Okay, children, this is the question. Answer is planning. To understand easily for you, I'm giving the reading also for your children. So, okay, so it will be easy for you to read. Planning, coordination with your teammates, true spirit of the team, setting your mind and will on the goal in front of you, fighting for the team, and helping them to score are the qualities needed to play a game. Okay, children, this is the first answer. Second one. What helps one win the game? What helps one win the game? Answer is working with your running mate. The team spirit, setting your mind and will on the game played, helping your fellow men, to score, helping your fellow man to score, and forgetting self and forgetting self till the game is over, till the game is over, till the game is over, helps one to win the game, helps one to win the game. Okay, children, this is the second question. Yes. And third, how is team spirit created? How is team spirit created? Answer. Team spirit can be created. Team spirit can be created by recognizing the team players, then who drive success, within any team, treating all of them fairly, trusting them at all times, and creating a right environment for them. Okay, children, these are the three answers. Take down neatly. Next, we'll see take down fast, children. Take down neatly in your notebook. Write neatly without making any mistakes, children. So next we are going to see B now. It is T. Read the lines and answer the questions. Read the lines and answer the questions. So now first is the lines what is given here is, it's helping your fellow man to score when his chances hopeless seem. It's forgetting self till the game is over and fighting for the team. So A question is, what does it stand for here? So those who have the book, you can take the book, children. You can write the question. I'm giving you only the answers. It stands for the teamwork. It stands for the teamwork. Okay, children? Now B. The question is, write the rhyme scheme for the above lines. So, the rhyme scheme for the above line is A, B, A, B. Okay, children. Now next is second lines are, they may sound you praise and call you great. They may single you out for fame, but you must work with your running mate or you will never win the game. Now 3 questions are A, B, C. So the first question is, whom does they refer to? So A, they refers to the people. They refers to the people around you. They refers to the people around you. Okay, children, that is A. Now B, the question is, which line talks about team spirit? Answer is the third line. Which line, children? Third line. But you must work with your running mate. Must work with your running mate. Talks about the team spirit. Talks about the team spirit. Okay, this is a second B. Now next to see, the question is, pick out the rhyming words from the given lines. So now let's see now what are the rhyming words. The rhyming words are great mate and fame mate. Okay, children, did you understand now? Okay. Now next is E. Okay. Have you all taken down this answer, children? Now we'll see now E now. The heading is pair up, discuss with your partner and list out any 5 team games. Okay, any 5 team games. Okay, now we are going to write, so any 5 team games. So what and all you can write: football, then hockey, cricket, then coco, volleyball. All these are the team games. Okay, now we'll write this on this 5 lines are there. That lines itself we can write, children. Okay, the first one is football. So all this is in the page number 100, children. Okay, it's in the page number 100. That is D, C, D and E. So first we are writing football, then hockey, then cricket, then what else, children? Yes, coco and volleyball. So all these are the team games. Okay, children, have you written in the book? Okay. Now next to see page number page number 99. Okay, page number 99. Let's see at the top on the right side, glossary, that is meanings they have given. I'll read out the meanings. Okay, children, you can read along with me. Deed, act or achievement, scheme, plan, fame, glory, mate, companion, or you can write partner also, spirit, will, determination, over, that is a poetic abbreviation for over, apostrophe they have given O, apostrophe RE, that is the meaning is over. Okay, so once again I'll read out: deed, act, achievement, scheme, plan, fame, glory, mate, companion or partner, spirit, will determination, that is over, that is a poetic abbreviation for over. Okay. Now see down children B, that is fill in the table. Fill in the table. Refers all, that is contraction is a shortened form of a word or a group of words. That is, contraction means a short form of a word. Now we are going to write with the apostrophe. Okay. Now some it's given with the apostrophe, some we have to write. Okay. So the first one is its. Then they have given the first one it is. That is, its means it is. Okay. The next they have given doesn't. Doesn't apostrophe T. Now how will you write that? Doesn't means what? Does not. Okay. Does not. Then third one what they have given? Theirs. There apostrophe yes. So how will it sound like? There is. Okay. There's. There is. Then fourth. Next what they have given? Right side they have given is you will they have given. Now how will you write this apostrophe? You apostrophe LL. Okay children, do you understand that? Now next is that's they have given. So how will you write that's? Yes, that is. Okay children, so they have written that. Now next is some more are there. We'll finish it off. Then next they have given here I have. Then how will you write here? Yes, I-V-E apostrophe I-V-E. Okay children, I have. Then next what they have given? He. That means that is he had. Okay, for he had only we are writing that he apostrophe D. Okay. Next. Aren't. How will you write aren't? Yes, are not. Listen carefully children, all this will be asked in your exams, so listen carefully. Next they have given he has. So how will you use the apostrophe here? His apostrophe yes. Okay. Then next is, so next I have asked won't. Now how will you write won't? Yes, will not. Okay children, will not. And next what they have asked? Cannot. Now how will you write that? Yes, can't. Can apostrophe T. You understand this children? How will you write this? Using apostrophe, that is contracting, that is a short form of a word. He has means his. Aren't means are not. Are not means you are contracting the word, that is aren't, like that. Okay, so once again, it means it is, doesn't, does not, there is, you will, that's, that is, then I have, he had, aren't, are not, is, he has, won't, will not, can't, cannot. Okay children, so this we are finishing this poem. I have given all the book back answers in this lesson children. So in the next class we will continue with the supplementary. Okay children, thank you.